If your electric scooter feels slower than it used to, you're not alone. Many riders notice that their scooter struggles to reach its advertised top speed after a few months of use. Before you start looking for risky speed hacks online, it's important to understand that most scooters are designed with speed limits for safety, battery protection, and legal compliance. In this video, we'll cover the real reasons your scooter may be losing speed and what you can do to make it run at its best. Method number 1. Use the correct riding mode. One of the simplest reasons an electric scooter feels slow is that it's running in the wrong riding mode. Most modern scooters come with multiple modes such as Eco, Drive, and Sport. Eco mode prioritizes battery life and limits power output, which can significantly reduce acceleration and top speed. If you want maximum performance, switch to Sport mode through the scooter's display or mobile app. Just keep in mind that higher performance modes consume more battery power, so it's best to use them when speed is your priority. Method number 2. Keep the battery fully charged. Battery condition plays a huge role in scooter performance. Electric scooters generally deliver their strongest acceleration and highest speeds when the battery is near full charge. As battery levels drop, voltage decreases, which can reduce motor performance. If your scooter often feels sluggish, try charging it fully before longer rides. It's also important to use the original charger supplied by the manufacturer because improper chargers can damage the battery and create safety risks. A healthy battery is one of the biggest factors in maintaining consistent speed. Method number 3. Check tire pressure regularly. Many riders overlook tire pressure, but it can have a noticeable impact on speed and efficiency. Underinflated tires create more rolling resistance, forcing the motor to work harder to move the scooter forward. This not only reduces top speed, but also drains the battery faster. Check your tire pressure regularly and inflate the tires according to the manufacturer's recommendations. Properly inflated tires help the scooter roll more smoothly, improve acceleration, and maximize overall performance. Method number 4. Reduce unnecessary weight. The heavier the load, the harder the motor has to work. Carrying heavy backpacks, extra gear, or accessories can reduce acceleration and make hill climbing more difficult. While you shouldn't sacrifice safety equipment, removing unnecessary weight can help your scooter perform better. It's also important to stay within the scooter's recommended weight limit because exceeding it can strain the motor and battery, leading to reduced speed and increased wear over time. Method number 5. Inspect wheels and brakes. Sometimes speed loss has nothing to do with the motor or battery. Dirt buildup, misaligned components, worn bearings, or dragging brakes can create extra friction that slows the scooter down. Take a few minutes to inspect your wheels and braking system. The wheels should spin freely without resistance, and the brakes should not rub against the rotor when released. Keeping these components clean and properly adjusted can make a surprising difference in overall performance. Method number 6. Install official firmware updates. Manufacturers occasionally release firmware updates that improve performance, efficiency, or system reliability. If your scooter has a companion app, check whether any updates are available. Official firmware updates can sometimes optimize motor behavior and improve the riding experience. However, avoid installing unofficial firmware from unknown sources. While some riders use modified software to unlock additional speed, doing so can void warranties, increase component wear, and potentially create safety issues. Method number 7. Ride on smooth surfaces. Road conditions have a direct effect on scooter speed. Smooth pavement allows the scooter to roll efficiently, while rough surfaces, gravel, grass, and uneven roads create resistance that slows it down. Choosing smoother routes can help maintain higher speeds while also improving battery efficiency. In addition, smooth and consistent throttle control helps preserve momentum, allowing the scooter to perform better throughout the ride. Method number 8. Avoid extreme temperatures. Weather conditions can significantly affect electric scooter performance. Cold temperatures reduce battery efficiency, which can lead to slower acceleration and reduced top speed. Excessive heat can also cause the scooter's electronics to limit power in order to prevent overheating. If possible, store your scooter indoors and avoid leaving it exposed to extreme temperatures for extended periods. Maintaining the battery within a moderate temperature range helps ensure consistent performance year-round.